Hello, thirsty people! Today we're going to be making Caesars.
Thirsty friends.
Now, the first thing you want to look for in a Caesar when you're making one and prepping it is the rim.
What the heck is a rim job?
I usually use the Clamato rimmer, which works out pretty well. You can also use celery salt, which is essentially what this is. If you want to be real fancy or something different, you can use like a Montreal steak spice. That also works quite well. We're going to be using the Clamato rimmer. So you want to pop that open, find a nice dish. Put a little bit on the dish there. Sprinkle some on there. Okay, now to get the stick to the cup, we're going to have to wet these a little bit. So let's take this over the sink. I'll show you how to do this. Okay, so you want to put some water on the end of the cup like this. Keep the cup upside down. Bring it over to your seasoning salt. Give it a good swirly swirl. Tap, tap, tap. There's one. Some more water on the end of the cup there. Keep it inverted. Take it over to our seasoning for the rimmer. Swirl it around. Tap, tap, tap. There's our second one. Okay, now since we got our rim all nicely seasoned, we're gonna add some ice. So you want to get like a third to a half a glass of ice. In there. Oh crap, that one is, oh shit. Ah. There. Okay, now we got our 2 drinks with seasoning on the rim and half full of ice. Most people will ask for a vodka Caesar. This happens to be a small bottle of vodka, in case you weren't sure what this is. I prefer it with gin. And in fact, on its own, gin is pretty horrible. It's not one of my favorite drinks, I'll have to admit. People that like gin like it a lot. You know who I'm talking about. This is Bombay Sapphire. Doesn't actually smell that bad. I'm sure there's better ones out there. Because of tall glasses, we're gonna put in a shot in there and a little bit more. Put a shot in here over the ice. A little bit more. Okay. Next will be our main ingredient seasonings. We've got Worcestershire sauce and Tabasco. Now, if you've ever been to a club and they go like this when they make your drink, clink, clink, it means they don't drink Caesars. They don't know what the hell they're doing. So with a bigger glass like this, we're gonna wanna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, roughly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give us some good sprays in there. The Tabasco, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's more like 2, 2.5, but that's close enough. Okay, we got those spices in there. Now for the Clamato. You can use tomato juice, but it's not a Caesar. That's Bloody Mary, it's gross. This is way better. Clamato, all the way. Okay, leave a little space at the top. Some people say, put pickle juice in it. Well, I don't agree, because you've got so many delicious things that are already pickled, like these. These are one of my favorites. Extreme bean, hot and spicy. Put a couple of those babies in there. Ooh, it's got some garlic attached to it. That'll be yummy. Nice. Some people can also, you can also use celery or pickled asparagus. These are jalapeno stuffed olives. There's also a jalapeno in here. Put a couple olives in there. Do you want olives in yours, hon?
No.
Okay. These are garlic stuffed olives. These are just big old pickles. It's better to slice the pickles in half, but we'll put them in there anyway. It's a nice little treat when you get halfway down your drink. Who needs pickle juice when you got actual pickles? All right, and that's pretty much it. You can add celery and other garnishes. Other noteworthy ingredients can also be lemongrass or barbecue sauce. If you want to experiment with something a little bit different. Otherwise, try this out here. That's delicious. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your own Caesars. Let me know how they went down in the comments. Subscribe to the videos. We're gonna be making many more pleasant drinks in the future. We'll see you then. Stay thirsty.